Hello everyone, Dilor team here. In today's video, we're going to teach you our 4 favorite Canva hacks. Let's get started.
My favorite hack is the transparent letter. It will elevate your design in just 5 seconds. First, choose your background image and size it accordingly to your page. Then go to Elements and select the rectangle shape to create a rectangle on your image. The fun part starts here. Search for frame plus the letter of your choice. For me, I want to write lips, so I will get all the letters. You can choose the shape of the letters and arrange them as you like. Now, go back to recently used to grab your background image and drop it into the first letter. Double click on it to make it the size match the background. Do this for each letter. Once you are done, you can copy and paste your rectangle and place it a bit higher. Click on position and put your new rectangle behind the letters. I love the sophisticated look it gives. Be creative with it and have fun creating a visual that matches your brand style.
Here's another way to create transparent text. First, choose a background color and an image. You can be creative with this. For example, I created a skincare ad. Size your image accordingly and click on Edit Image, then select Background Remover. Next, it's time to create your text. Write your word and place it so that part of it is on top of the background color and the other part is on top of your image. Choose your font and color. Then, copy and paste your word, and for this new selection, go to Effects and select Hollow. Pick the same color. Place your hollow text on top of the original text. Now, for the magic, go to Position, grab the colored text and drag it under your image. It's all about layers. I love it.
When we have to create batch content, we don't have time to change the color of each element in the design. What I like to do is select a color palette, which you can find on Google Images. For example, let's say I like this pink one, so I'm going to copy it and paste it into my design on Canva. Then right click on the palette and choose Apply Colors to Page. And there you go. It took me 30 seconds.
Another hack that changed my life is this one. You know how annoying it is when you can't change the color of an element on Canva? Well, I have the solution for you. Click on your element and go to Edit Image. Scroll to find Duotone. Here, you will see different color options. But if you want to choose specific ones, go to Custom and play with the palette until you find the perfect color to match your brand. And that's it. It was easy, right? We hope you liked our favorite Canva hacks. Please drop in the comments your favorite tip, like and share the video. See you soon for other digital marketing tips.